Let us discuss a question on measurement and errors which came in JEE Mains 2016. So here's the question. A screw gauge with a pitch of 0.5 mm and a circular scale with 50 divisions is used to measure the thickness of a thin sheet of aluminium. Before starting the measurement, it is found that when the two jaws of the screw gauge are brought in contact, the 45th division coincides with the main scale line and that the zero of the main scale is barely visible. What is the thickness of the sheet if the main scale reading is 0.5 mm and the 25th division coincides with the main scale line? So let us try to solve this problem. First of all, we will find the least count of the screw gauge. The least count is given by pitch of the screw gauge by the circular scale divisions. The pitch given here is 0.5 millimeters and the circular scale divisions are 50. So the least count is 0.01 millimeters. Now it is given here that before starting the measurement, it is found that when the two jaws of the screw gauge are brought in contact, the 45th division coincides with the main scale line and that the zero of the main scale is barely visible. This means that there is a negative zero error in the screw gauge and the negative zero error is of 5 divisions. So the zero error is given by minus 5 into the least count. 5 because the two jaws of the screw gauge are brought in contact and the 45th division coincides with the main scale line. So there is a negative error of 5 divisions. So this will be multiplied to least count to give us the zero error. And the least count is 0.01 millimeters. So the zero error is minus 0.05 millimeters. Now let us find the thickness of the sheet, that is the final measured value. So the measured value will be equal to main scale reading, let us write it as MSR, plus the circular scale reading, and the circular scale reading will be equal to the, here it is given 25th division, so let us say this is the circular scale reading and it will be multiplied to the least count of the screw gauge, and from this value we will subtract the zero error, minus zero error. So finally what we will get, the main scale reading is 0.5 millimeter, the circular scale reading, that is 25, will be multiplied to the least count of the screw gauge and it is 0.01 millimeters, minus the zero error, and here the zero error is negative, so minus 0.05. So when we calculate this, we will get 0.8 millimeters. So this is the thickness of the sheet measured by the screw gauge.